Hello everyone, I appreciate you clicking into this video. I have a tool and a script here to share with you today. I'm using OpenAI Whisper and ChatGPT to transcribe videos and podcasts and build out summaries for them and derive some insights depending on what was discussed. And my use case is to transcribe stocks and crypto podcasts to find out what key points were discussed in that podcast and be on the cutting edge of new stock picks, new crypto picks, and new narratives. And I'm building out these summaries. I glance at them, and if there's something interesting there, I'll go in and watch that podcast fully to gain the entire insight. Now, I'm positive there's dozens of other use cases that you'll be able to use and adapt this script for. And let me go ahead and demonstrate what it's like right now. So it's a Python-based script, and you're greeted with some options to pick from about what your source is, a YouTube video or a existing transcription or text file. I'm going to use a YouTube video, and I'm going to share a podcast from this channel I like to watch, Dumb Money Live. And you enter the YouTube URL, the audio gets downloaded, OpenAI Whisper processes it, and I'm deriving summaries, key points, and insights from ChatGPT prompts. You'll see in a second what my end result looks like. I'm having this create a document that I can open up, read, and see if there's anything interesting being discussed. All right, so the output is this document file, and currently I have a summary, key points, and any cryptos and stocks discussed. You can take this script and change whatever headings you'd like, whatever summaries you want, whatever kind of insights you want. These are all done through ChatGPT prompts. So I fine-tuned this last one. The other two I got examples from OpenAI's Playground. And the magic really is in the prompts. So if prompt engineering isn't your thing, I'd suggest watching some videos or even just playing with ChatGPT, giving it a transcript and giving the instructions on ChatGPT itself and just see what the outputs are like. So what I did was I got the transcript from Whisper and I uploaded that to ChatGPT and I played around with the instructions I was giving it. So that's how I fine-tuned my prompts. And it was a good process, and I think that's a good workflow to go about this. So in this podcast, these are the companies they discussed. I did some sentiment analysis, a bit of a walkthrough on the script, which by the way is linked in the description below on GitHub. Take that script, do whatever you'd like with it. I think this can be fine-tuned to really help you if you're in a space where there's a lot of information in the keynotes, podcasts, content of your industry. Really the big driver here is the prompts. So I get a abstract summary, key points, and then ask ChatGPT to extract which stocks were discussed, the sentiment around those and such. Saving to a docx file. There is a limitation with Whisper about the length of videos and audio. So like I transcribed a hour-long podcast. You can't really do that in one go. So there's some logic here to make that into chunks and transcribe those one at a time. Blend the transcript together. And yeah, I have a placeholder here for general podcast links. Currently, I'm not using that, so just keeping that as a placeholder. Have this helpful option menu that pops up when you run the script. So yeah, once again, this script is on GitHub in the description below. I might be evolving it, but I think this helps me do what I need to do. If you have anything you'd like to see related to this, leave a comment below, or feel free to take that script off GitHub and do whatever you like. Thanks again for watching, and have a good one.